Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Of activities. Therefore, if the European Parliament adds crypto mining to the taxonomy, we will unlikely see exchanges forced to delist coins like Bitcoin. Instead, there may be pressure for investors in crypto mining to focus on sustainable sources of energy, to offset the new classification. It seems like a massive win for all involved as, of course, mining should use the cleanest forms of energy available. For example, no one wants companies to mine Bitcoin from dirty coal power plants. However, the efficient and direct transfer of energy to money through crypto mining is something I personally believe is much more sustainable than the current financial system. Second news today: about 70 brands do their best to showcase style in Decentraland. Decentraland kicked off Metaverse Fashion Week. The combination of high-end designers and wearables vendors flaunting non-fungible token (NFT) collections in the blockchain-based virtual world. Brands such as Estée Lauder, Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana and Forever 21 are all participants for years. The most recent edition of the Crypto Crime Trends report published by blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis, for instance, found that just 0.15% of cryptocurrency transaction volume in 2021 involved illicit addresses. The recent arrest of the alleged Bitfinex hackers and the seizure of nearly 100,000 Bitcoin also demonstrates that moving large sums of money on a public network that can be monitored from a Raspberry Pi isn't as easy as, well, Pi. But the reports also confirm what we know from common experience: that we use Bitcoin far more frequently for storing wealth and sending money to family members, and reducing emissions and making micropayments, and fleeing the freaking Taliban, than for illicit finance. And is featured in 100 tabloids globally. Ariva has also enjoyed significant adoption of its token ARV, with more than 220,000 holders. ARV has also been listed on 32 exchanges and 10 wallets, showing the rapid growth of the utility token. Ariva has also hosted several events to foster the development and adoption of blockchain technology in the tourism industry. In recent months, it has also embarked on high-profile partnerships with the World Tourism Forum Institute and Global Tourism Forum. Ariva's partner, the president of WFI Bulat Bagsi, was also a keynote speaker at the FISTUPA event in May 2022. Furthermore, Ariva has been able to embark on policy building with members of the European Parliament on how it can revolutionize the travel and tourism industry with blockchain technology. The complete blockchain-based tourism ecosystem is promised. The team also launched the Ariva.World crypto travel portal and Ariva.Finance payment gateway before his birthday. They also stated that the distribution of Ariva POS machines to hotels and travel agencies will begin in a short time. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. And second news today: opinion US Treasury confirms we can remove illicit activity from Bitcoin FUD dice. It's time to take illicit activity off the FUD dice. Earlier this month, the U.S. Department of the Treasury published reports that indicated that the use of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for illicit activity is far outstripped by the use of traditional assets. Critics can no longer credibly present the specter of illicit activity to beat back Bitcoin. Now the foremost experts in the world say it is not a major threat. Case closed. Staff of the U.S. Treasury, the authors of the report, are the most knowledgeable and best equipped investigators and enforcers against illicit financing in the world. Moreover, the launch of the alpha test of the Ariva Wonderland Metaverse project. In a surprise, the team announced that the test will be conducted in an open alpha test format, and that a limited number of gamers from the committee will be selected for this unique experience. Major achievements accomplished in 12 months. Ariva has achieved some noteworthy achievements since its launch, due to its impressive concept and innovative products. It has an active community of more than 200,000 members on social media. Through March 27, virtual real estate company Metaverse Group purchased a 6,000 square foot plot last November for a record $2.4 million. How to start in Decentraland. By visiting the website and connecting an Ethereum wallet, or simply playing as a guest, anyone can experience Metaverse Fashion Week. The site provides coordinates to the different corners of the neighborhood where users can experience the virtual event. There are galleries and shows, as well as places for purchasing digital wearables. Read more. Decentraland, luxury marketplace UNXT to host Metaverse Fashion Week, NFT natives are jumping in too, Hamilton said. NFT marketplace Rarible will host a pop-up shop called Rarible Street. Boson Protocol, which purchased a plot of land last June to create a Metaverse shopping mall, has built a boulevard of stores for brands to sell their wearables. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025, or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? Ampere Prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. Ampere Prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ampere Prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. Ampere Prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. Ampere Prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. Ampere Prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions.